My name is Emily. I am 25 years old. I am a nurse. Most people run away from pain, but I run toward it. This is my life. Every day, I walk into the hospital with one quiet prayer. Give me strength today. The smell of medicine fills the air. The lights are bright, but behind every door, there is a story. Some stories end with smiles. Some end in silence. Being a nurse is not easy. People see me in my uniform, holding files, checking patients. To them, I am just a nurse. But inside, I carry many emotions. This uniform is not just clothes. It is a promise. A promise that I will stand beside you when you feel weak, scared, and alone. I have seen a baby take its first breath, and I have seen someone take their last. And still, I come back every day. Let me tell you about someone I will never forget. His name was Mr. David. He was 80 years old. He stayed in room 402. He had no family, no visitors, no one. One evening, I went to check his IV. His hands were cold and shaking. Suddenly, he held my hand. His voice was very soft. Thank you for staying. I froze for a moment. I was not doing anything special, just my job. But for him, that 1 minute meant everything. In that moment, I understood something very deep. Medicine can heal the body, but kindness heals the heart. That night, I went to the break room. I sat alone in the dark. Sometimes I cry. I cry for mothers who are afraid. I cry for children who are strong, even in pain. I cry for empty chairs when someone never comes back. People think nurses get used to pain. But that is not true. You never get used to it. But still, when the bell rings, I stand up. I wipe my tears. I wear my mask. And I walk out with a smile. Because my pain is small compared to what they are feeling. But not everything here is sad. There is beauty in this place too. The moment when a patient finally walks again. The moment when a father holds his baby for the first time. The moment someone smiles and says, I feel better today. These moments mean everything to me. We don't win medals. We don't get big rewards. Our real reward is a simple thank you. To anyone who wants to become a nurse, it is hard. You will feel tired. Your body will hurt. But your heart will feel full. Because every day you change someone's life. And to my patients, thank you for trusting me. Thank you for showing me true courage. Before I go, let's learn some simple words. Scrubs, special clothes nurses wear. Trembling, shaking because of fear or weakness. Vulnerable, when someone needs care and protection. Resilience, the strength to stand again after falling. Being a nurse is not just a job. It is a journey of the heart, and I am proud to walk this path.